my name is Josiah Haisman, a former student of Ivana.
So what caused you to try the Dyslexia toolkit approach?
Standard ways of going about learning how to read just wasn't working out, and this was just what worked.
Have you used any of the reading tools in the Dyslexia toolkit at home? Which ones, if any, were helpful?
A lot of them were helpful. The strategies, namely, as far as tools are concerned, the colored overlays helped with just seeing the words.
Describe your experiences with Dyslexia toolkit.
It was excellent. Previous to using it, I couldn't read at all, and now I'm getting by just fine.
And do you have advice for other parents and students who are dealing with dyslexia?
Stick-to-itiveness. It's definitely a long process, but worth it.